Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Damie, and in this video I want to bring you on a challenge that I'm going to be doing this month. It's the month of April, the first day of the month of April. Happy new month, guys. I'm super excited that you are here with me. So what am I doing this month? I am doing Veda. Veda is vlog every day in April or August. So what that means is I'm bringing you a video every single day this month in form of long form content or shorts. Now the reason why I'm putting shorts is so that I don't burn out quickly, because if I start bringing you 10 minutes video every day, there's a chance that by the 15th day I would give up. This year I'm taking YouTube serious, and I just thought, oh, Veda was a thing back in the days with Amy Ladino, and people used to create content every day. She had like this small community. I was like, that would be so nice to do, to just challenge myself a little bit. And also I attended a YouTube event last week that was so motivational. That's the word, motivational. It was amazing. The question is, what am I going to be sharing with you in these 30 days? I'm going to be bringing you in a little bit behind the scenes. I said I was going to film an office tour, so definitely expect that. One of the reasons why I haven't filmed an office tour is because it rained and the rain stained my walls, and I'm like, why would I want to put a video where my walls look like a murder scene on YouTube? But I'm going to do that anyway. Then when we update the office, you will see an updated office tour. I'm also going to be sharing with you content creation tips and tricks, bringing you behind the scenes, sharing with you lights, mics, cameras, gears, different things. And I'm also going to be sharing with you some social media tips and tricks. Some things like content calendars. I get tired when people ask me, how can I schedule content on Instagram? How can I schedule posts to go to Facebook? Everything I'm going to be answering in the, not everything because it's going to be a lot, but most of them anyway, I'm going to be answering in this next in this series, which is Veda. Vlog every day with Damie. Vlog every day in April. I'm trying to put my name there. Vedad. Perfect. Vlog every day in April with Damie. The wheat is not important, but there's Damie there, so very that. So join me this month. I'm super excited to bring you guys this series, and yeah, share with your friends, entrepreneurs or content creators. I'm going to be reviewing some gear, ring lights, mics. I'm going to be reviewing all of those. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. I want to rush, edit and upload this video today, and I'm sure I will, because the God that I serve will not disappoint me. My next video is finally my unboxing. I know that's because I filmed it before this video. Unboxing of the camera I'm using right now. So this is the quality. So if I promise you an unboxing, it's coming. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions about content creation, gear and social media, let me know down in the comment section. I was correct. Let me know down in the comment section and I would answer. And then with every video I would highlight a comment from the previous day. To kick off the series, I'm going to be highlighting a comment from the previous video. So this comment from last week's video is from Candy, and Candy says, okay, in my last video I talked about my YouTube gear. I shared all my camera, lights and everything except for the one I just got, but I shared everything. So Candy, hi. Candy says, this is so helpful, especially for growing YouTubers, to look professional without actually spending a fortune. Thank you for sharing these with us. Thank you, Candy, for watching, and I hope you subscribed and you stick around, and I hope you became a family. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you for commenting on my last video. Video. I'm so Yoruba, my god. Hi guys, how we doing? I'm excited to be on your screen.